So today we're going to show you how to go ahead and deposit money into your Cash App account. So this is presuming that you already have the actual bank account or your debit card onto Cash App. And if you don't, I have videos that will show you how to do that exactly. But today we're gonna go ahead and show you how to deposit money into this account. So if you're here on the main page of Cash App, you're gonna go ahead and click on the bottom left icon on the app. Now for me, it shows the dollar amount, but if you don't have any money on there, it's gonna also show you that little bank looking kind of icon. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that. And right over here, you're gonna see that button where it says add cash. So very easy. We're gonna go ahead and click on here, and it's gonna tell you how much would you like to have added to here. So if you want to go ahead and do $1 or $10 or 105, you could do that. You're gonna go ahead and click on add. It does my Face ID, and then it's gonna just verify the linked account that I have with this, because I haven't actually transferred anything into this account in a short while. So it's just doing additional protection to make sure that I am the one requesting that large amount of money. Now that's going to be very easy on how you can do that. If you want to keep learning more on these quick tutorials with Cash App, check out my next video right over here. My name is Dennis, and I will see you in the next video.